So I have zoomed in to the punch bowl, and I've set my base map to terrain with labels, which allows me to see the contour elevation lines. So I'm going to start by getting an elevation for the toe, and I zoomed in too far on this one. So this is 4,600 feet. This is 4,500 feet. So there's 100 feet difference between these index contours. So each of these lines is 20 feet. So if this is 4,200 feet, I'm going to say my toe is around 4,160, and actually if I come around I see a spot elevation here. So there's the toe of my slide, and if I were doing this correctly I would be writing that down somewhere. Okay, and then I want to look at the head scarp. So again, that's the steepest part of the slide, and you can tell that that's really sheer. I mean, these lines are so close together it's really difficult to even distinguish them. So I've got a contour index line at 7,100 feet here, 7,054 feet. Okay, so that would be a good head scarp. 7,100 feet could be my head scarp. And then if I subtract those, I can get the local relief. I can see that this is really steep, and then the contour lines get farther apart, and this is 5,000 feet, but then it goes up to 5,700 feet. So this would be that backwards rotation or those little dips and ponds. And in fact, I can see some little contour dips here, or some lines that indicate ponds. So that would be my head scarp. Now, if I want to measure the width and the length of my slide, I'm going to go in and get the measure tool. I'm going to go into feet, and of course I'm right over where I want to measure. So I'm going to measure kind of across the widest part of the slide here. So this isn't going to let, oh, there we go. So I would, kilometers, that's lovely. Here we go. So 15,600 feet is my width, give or take. Be really nice to follow that straight line, but the slide isn't. So I'm going to say 15,000, what did I just say? 15,000, dang it. I have to do it again. I could do that and divide by 2 if I wanted. So let's just go with 15,000 feet for the width. And then I want to go from the toe, so I'm going to get rid of that and click this again. And I'm going to click on the toe and measure up to the head scarp. Oh, I did area, sorry. Let's go here. There we go. So about 15,000 feet, so it's kind of squarish in a way. Okay, so that's my dimensions of this slide. So I've got my dimensions. I talked about the steep head wall, kind of hummocky backwards rotation, so I have all of that information. And if you go back into the lecture notes, this would be a classic slump or rotational slide. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to zoom this in here so it can be seen on my story map. And I'm going to save. And then what I'll do is share that. And be done.